to my channel once again. Happy New Year. It is 2019. So I know I've been a little MIA, but I thankfully had a lot of work. Went into 2019 working, and today's my day off, so I decided to go ahead and create this look. If you want to see how I created this lovely look, go ahead and keep watching. So I'm going to do my base. So I'm going with the Plouies base. Use this. See, no, I think it's okay. So let's put these hairs back, girl. I'm really vibing with this neck, the turtleneck shirt. Okay, I'm just gonna pat this primer. Usually I set it, but I want to give it a try and see how it works without setting. The brand actually encourages you to use it without setting it. I'm gonna go with henna first, just as a transition. Before I continue, I'm gonna grab this brush, flat brush. I want to deposit Man Eater. I'm just going to pat it, and then I will blend. I will probably darken this later, but for now I just want to have a nice base. I'm going to start adding my transition color. So again, back with henna. Grab this MAC brush, and I'm gonna go back with Man Eater and really focus it on that transition in the center. I want to transition then. So remember, I did say I was going to make the center part darker, so that's why I'm focusing this more. I don't know if it's because I didn't set my base, but honestly it's looking a little patchy. I changed brushes. My god, it's looking so patchy. Now I'm gonna grab my Morphe palette and I'm gonna use this color here. We're gonna go with the dark color using this brush and just pop it. Oh, there's the fallout. Oh my god, this color is so beautiful. Yes, this is the color that I wanted. This is so beautiful. And I'm just going to revamp the outer area. How does that look? Oh, I freaking love. So now what I want to do is I want to add some type of shimmer or glitter in the inner corner. Looks so pretty. Okay, let's start off with shimmer, and then if I feel I need to add specks of glitter, I will do so. Is it this one? Exactly what I want. I'm gonna add more as I finish, because obviously this part will be perhaps covered with concealer. Now I'm going to add a little bit of this glitter, my favorite glitter. This one's this Midnight Cowboy. I love it. I'm just gonna need a little bit. I just want to add those tiny bit of sparkles here and there. I don't want it to be just like that. I don't know if you can't see. Do it. I haven't done wing liner in a long time, so let's do that. This time I'm gonna go with the Inglot gel liner. I haven't done a wing liner in a long time, so here goes nothing. with my Prep and Prime. My favorite. I'm just going to dab this all over. Lately I've been okay, it's good. It actually anywho, like I was saying, is that lately I've been gravitating towards brushes more than sponges. It actually feels dry. It doesn't feel, with the Beauty Blender it would feel a little damped, but right here the feeling that I get when I bounce it on my face is dry. If you guys could see my place right now, it is a complete mess. We are renovating the restroom, our tiny restroom, because it had some issues going on. So I decided to, you know what, let's just remodel the whole thing. That's what my adventure right now. Using my Lancome, I'm gonna just blend it with the brush. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of my concealer right there. Right now we're looking at shower doors. Gosh, they're expensive. Now I'm going to use my translucent powder. This over here, the first color. I'm going to prep everything else and I'll be back. Hustle, baby. Let's start off slow because I remember it was very intense. So here we go. Oh, look at that. Like, here goes that, and it shooks me. Desi's, Katie and Desi collab, and I'm gonna use more creamer, please, in the center. So as we seen, this is what the look ended up being, with all those very vibrant brick colors. I went a little bit off. I really like how it all came together and how all the combination of all these beautiful colors ended up being. 2019, this year will also be a badass year. It will be filled with a lot of lessons, of course, like every year, like every single day, every single time. So yeah, let this year be filled with a lot of prosperity, health, financially, friendships, relationships, anything. May this year just be popping more than 2018. I'm super excited. I just like doing this. I like filming. I like creating looks, and when I get to sit down and do this, it really relaxes me in a way. What doesn't relax me is the editing. So thank you guys so much for watching. It means a lot, whether you are just 1, 2, 3, 4. It means a lot that you take time out of your day to watch it and actually comment also. Bye.